Hello, Mr. O here. Today I'm going to show you the skyscraper puzzle. Lots of fun, good times, good puzzling. Let's take it to the web, see if we can figure out how to do a couple of these puzzles. The website is called skyscrapers.com. Alright, so you can find some puzzles on this page. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what is entailed in these puzzles, and then we're going to do one together, do one of these normal size skyscraper puzzles together. Alright, here's the idea. These are skyscrapers we're going to build in the middle here. Now, on the easier puzzle, maybe start with the easier one so you can see what it looks like. Well, yeah, let's start there, even though it takes a minute to load. The skyscraper puzzles, it's like you're looking from the top. This is the top view, and you're looking at, these are all 16 different skyscrapers when we're doing a 4x4. And they have all different heights. In every column, in every row, they have to all have different heights. All right, that's the idea. So 4, 3, 2, 1, whatever it might be. Now, what these numbers mean from the side is if you were standing here on the road, or I guess standing anywhere in this westerly direction, we look this way, we will be able to see 3 skyscrapers. If we were directly standing in line, we would be able to see 3 skyscrapers. What does it mean that you'd be able to see 4 skyscrapers? It means this one must have a height of 1, this one must have a height of 2, this one must have a height of 3, and this one must have a height of 4. Because otherwise, how could you see all 4 of them? The smallest one must be in the front, and in the middle, and so on. If you ever see a 1, you know for sure that's going to have to be a 4, because this 1 means if I'm looking this way, I can only see 1 skyscraper. Looking this way, I can only see 1. And looking this way, I can see 2. Well, if you're looking from this direction, you're going to definitely see this 4, and you only have the choice of 3 and 2 here. If I put a 2 here and a 3 here, then I would see that if I was looking this way, toward this direction. If I put a 2 and then a 3, then I would see 1, I would see another, and I would see another, I would see 3 skyscrapers. So, and we only see 2, then this first one has to be our 3, so we'll be able to see this one, we'll be able to see this one. This must be the 2. And so on. So anytime you see a 1, you know the tallest has got to be in the front spot. So this one has to be a 4, because looking this way, I will only be able to see 1 skyscraper. Here I'm going to be able to see 4, so this has to be a 1, and this one has to be a 3. In this case, I'll see 2. Notice my 4s, this helps us as well. So I look this way, I got a 4 in this row, I have a 4 in this row, and I have a 4 in this row. Between these two, I need a 4, because there has to be 1 in this row. I already have 1 here, that means this must be my 4. And you can use those skills as well. There's only 1 number missing here, this has to be our 1. So looking this way from the east, 2, you'll be able to see this 1 skyscraper, you'll be able to see the 4, and that's it. So you'll be able to see 2 skyscrapers. What else we got? Here you'll be able to see 2, here you're going to be able to see 3. So this number, and then 3, 4, so obviously it'll be 3 no matter what number's here. And this number going this way, you obviously see 2. You obviously see 2 no matter what number is there. So between a 1 and a 2, it seems equal if we're looking in the column, but looking this way, we can't put a 1 here. This one would have to be a 2, because we've already used a 1 in that row. And this would have to be our 1. So then we fill in the last, we got 2 here, 3 here, and we test and see if we've done it accurately. On the easy puzzles, they mark all the sides with numbers. When you go to medium, they're not all marked. So let's try one more, and we'll see if that helps you a little bit. So we go to 4x4 normal, and hopefully we get some cooperation from the internet. All right, 4x4 normal. All right, so puzzle-skyscrapers.com, 4x4. Let's try this. This is nice. 4s are freebies, 1s are freebies to get some stuff, but 4s are really good because you see all 4 of the skyscrapers. Looking from the west, you look this way, and again, this is a view from above. So you're looking down on the city. This would have to be a 1, then a 2, then a 3, then a 4. That's the only way that could be possible. Right, this is a 3. So it could be like 1, 2, 4. But either way, the 4 has to be in this 3rd location. Because if it was any closer, you wouldn't see 3. If there's any, it could be in the fourth location, like if you had a 1, 3, 2, 4, but it can't be a 4 because of the 4 we have vertically there. So the only possibility there is a 4 in the middle. Let's pause for a second and see if I can figure this out. Boy, don't I feel silly. I see the mistake I made. I was looking at the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 like it was in here, like that was our rules, but that's not the case. So this 1, 2, 3, 4 is not a freebie at all. Let's go down there and erase these. All right, but we do know some other things, so that's good. That was pretty crazy. Okay, this 4 has to go here because of this 3. 4 cannot go here because there's already a 4 in that row. 4 cannot go here because if we're looking this way, we need to be able to see 3 different skyscrapers. So 4 would most certainly have to go in this spot. And with one other spot to go, we've already have a 4 in this row, 4 in this row, 4 in this row. 4s are all set. We're good. We're good on 4s. All right, now we're going to see 3. We don't want to see 4, so that means our 3 would have to go here and the 2 behind it. So looking from this direction, from the north, we'd see 1, 3, and we'd see 4. That's 3 skyscrapers that we would see. All right, what else we got? That is, so 3 here. We're going to see 3 skyscrapers. Could this be a 1? Absolutely not. Could not be a 1. So this is going to have to be a 3, which only leaves 1 here. And we've done all of the rules part. So now we just use our logic skills to figure out if there's only one number missing, we put that there. What else do we have? We're missing a 2 and a 1. And 1 can't go here because of this one. So we put a 1 here, 2 here, and in this case 2 here and 3 here. So there you have it. Looking at so errors are made. You got to make sure you're looking at the rules here and not the numbers in the far right. Otherwise, you'll get mixed up like I did. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you have a wonderful time. That's a 6-minute puzzle. Took a little extra time because I wasn't reading the rules, but you get the point. Let me know if you have questions. I'd be happy to do some more and give you some more tips and tricks, but that'll be enough to get you started. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy this puzzle.